press and hold the talk button and you wait for the Google app to respond to you, and then you ask the app to take you to a direction. Honda of Clear Lake. It brings you on the map.
Showing results for Honda of Clear Lake.
And then you tap on direction. That's it, and it will give you turn-by-turn direction to your destination. Smartphone connection is your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. For Android, you have to download the app called Android Auto. Once you have downloaded, follow the steps through it, and you plug in to your phone, and it should automatically pop up on the screen showing your Android phone for Android Auto, your Apple CarPlay for Apple phones. Once you tap on Android Auto, come to this screen. The first tab on the left is the navigation. For Android phones, you use Google Map. For Apple phones, you use Apple Map. You can switch around if you have the Waze app on your Android phone between Android and Google Map. When you touch on phone icon right here, it gives you recent call, your favorite numbers, and contact list as well. You can also dial by touching here. This will bring you back to the main menu of Android Auto. When you touch the headphone sign right here, this will play your music. Depending where you want to play your music from, you can choose by tapping it again. You have different apps, Pandora, Google Music. For Apple phone, it'll be iTunes. This button right here will take you to Honda home screen.